1 o'clock, and we have come out to go somewhere in Sapporo. There's this one beer museum, then there's this Tsunken Kaji, some shopping market. Let's see where to go. There's nothing much to do here. We had thought that there would be snowfall, but there is heavy rains here in Sapporo, and our hotel gave us so big chhatris, so big umbrellas, so big seats. Amazing, sarcastic. Okay. So yeah, now let's see. We are heading towards the subway station for the timing. Then we'll decide where to go. Oof, not expected. We thought we'll get snowfall, but we are getting this. Sad. So guys, now we are in the tram streetcar in Sapporo. So we are going to Tanukikoji market, which is a 900, which is about some 900 meters stretch. It's a market in Sapporo, so it's one of the main attractions here. So it's some it will cost us some around 500 yen. We'll go there. So I'll show you all how this tram looks like. And, there's a station as well. Nishihatko. Yeah. So guys, a pilot of the streetcar. This is how the speed is getting. This reminds me of that tram in Kolkata. I saw it from outside, didn't get a chance sitting in it. So now we are heading towards Tanukikoji market. Also here you all can see a newer version of the streetcar. This one, it's there in Istanbul, that one.
The next stop is
So one more stop has come here.
For adults and 100 yen for children. Only store.
So guys, while walking on this Tanukikoji shopping street, we found this one Indian market, Indian shop, where they are selling Indian handicrafts. So yeah, it's good. They have got these caps and all, umbrellas, Indian small purses, Malaika. Here it's written in Hindi also. Asia, Africa, or Dandin, America. Dakshin America. So guys, this is how the market looks like here in the Tenkukoji market here in Sapporo. It's a big 900-meter stretch where you'll find 200 shops. It's amazing. And now we are finding for an Indian restaurant to eat. Let's see if we get one nearby or we'll eat McDonald's. So guys, now we are in Daiso. It's a store which is there in Japan, where you will get a lot of things which are used in homes and appliances, home appliances. So all are for 100 yen. Most of the things are for 100 yen basically. So I'll show you all how the store is. So this boxes you all see, this one is for 300 yen, this one is for 400 yen plus 10% tax. So most of the things are for 100 yen, but then there are things which are sort of 300 yen and all. But the places where there's no price written, like this mat which is there, there's no price written on this. No price. That's of 100 yen plus 10% tax, so 110 yen. Then this mat, joint mat which is there, no price, so that means of 100 yen. But here there's a price written. Here there's a price written 400 yen plus 10% tax, so 440. And most of the places in Japan, like stores, convenience stores, not convenience stores actually, the stores which are there, like where you get Kit Kat and all, wherever it's written tax free, those places are tax free, and like at that store only, no tax would be charged. But Daiso is a non-tax free store. But yesterday we went to this place called Don Quijote. Not yesterday, day before yesterday in Kyoto. So that was tax free. So what they do is they give you in a sealed bag, like in duty free the bag you get. So they give you in that kind of bag, and you can't open it in Japan. So that's why if you open it, the screening is so vigilant. If you have opened that bag, then like there would be an X or something. I don't know what is there, but the screening in Japan at the airport is very vigilant. So yeah, they are vigilant. So if you all are buying anything tax free, don't open it from that bag which they give. Otherwise it will be very costly for you. Like you have to pay the taxes, then that's it. 10% of the whole thing you have bought, you have to pay that. That much only, that much. Very, very convenient, No? So they take your passport, they put your passport number. So whenever your bag goes down for screening, then they, by the QR code, they check the bill and they see how many things you have like in tax free. That way they do it. So I'll show you what all goods are there here in Daiso, Japan. So there are these bottles which are of 100 yen. You'll see Mickey Mouse and all. Then these are these dishes. There are these dishes. It fell down. Didn't break luckily. These dishes are for 100 yen. 8 pieces. Then these mini spoons are for 100 yen. These spoons, party cutlery, for 100 yen. Like everything is pretty good here in Japan. If y'all need to do anything y'all have in your houses, parties or anything, come to Daiso. That's it. These sticks, like chopsticks, are for 100 yen. 30 sets of chopsticks. And these chopsticks for packed chopsticks. Amazing. Then these chopsticks for kids, like again they are packed. Just remove it from these packages and eat it. Eat your food. Amazing. Then there are these dishes by which you can drain noodles and all, rice. Then microwave container for pasta and all. Everything is pretty good. Like if you'll need anything for anything in your house, come to Daiso. 300 yen for an egg frying pan. Good. Spatula for 100 yen. All these are home appliances. This is for those onigiris, or rice balls, rice cakes. These you'll see, these rice, I don't remember the name. So for that you can use, and then you can use these for stationery, use these things for cutouts. You can use that on these seaweed rolls and give it a good shape. Then these sticks are there, like toothpicks if you all want to eat something. Then this spoon set is there. I'm liking it. Like everything is so good. Anything you all want, come to Daiso. If you all are coming to Japan, do have a visit here in Daiso. You'll get your souvenirs and all also here. So yeah, it's worth a visit. And for the people who are living here in Japan, they are so lucky they have Daiso. Like for projects or anything you'll need, any stationery, come to Daiso. Chalo, now let's see. We'll go to a hotel because we are bored. Like, not bored, but it's raining outside, so we couldn't go anywhere today. So we'll go for the sightseeing tomorrow. Let's see what we do. Also, there are these claw openers for if you eat crabs or anything. So crab shellers. Good, good, very good. Let's see now where we go. Mostly we'll go back to a hotel in the street car. I'll tell you on.